Hello, good afternoon. Today, this is Dr. Cool, and we have this is Dr. Cool Auto Fix and Home Tech and Science. I'm going to be sharing the link of his channel with you all so that at last you can follow this tip which we're going to be using to try out on our dashboard today to see if it's really going to work. And a lot of you guys are going to be surprised the amazing result which you're going to be achieving here. We have not seen any kind of video like that on YouTube before, so all we want you to do is to follow us along, and we promise you at the end of this video you're going to get a very good cheap tips on how to be able to restore this dashboard. A lot of you guys have actually seen me restore this dashboard before, but you know exactly that one of the things which I never told you guys is the materials which I use, and a lot of you guys are pissed off about it. So I think this is one of the video which I'm trying to use to make up about that, because this is very much ready available for you everywhere you go. So let's go to it. So
you're going to be using Coca-Cola, a simple Coca-Cola bottle,
okay,
and then a rag to restore the dashboard
okay,
from the old color or the
okay.
old...
Is that a microfiber or something?
So this is just a rag. Any rag can do it.
Okay.
So you just use it and then you can restore your dashboard, no matter how dirty it is, to original color with this. As simple as that.
Okay. Okay, guys, now you can hear it from Home Tech. So can you go ahead and demonstrate it for us, please, so we can take a look at it?
You just get a simple amount of Coke. This is a usual Coke you can get anywhere in the store, nearby store. Okay, a simple amount of it. You can drop it in your dashboard, and be careful not to spill it. You can
spill it much, so you can just
don't damage other electrical components of your car.
Okay.
So just get a little drop of it. Drop on your dashboard. Drop around your dashboard.
Oh, it seems like it's reacting.
Then use your rag and dust it gradually.
Now let's see if this works. If
it's not let's see, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. You clean it gradually with it. Clean it gradually with it. Okay, you drop it again. You're going to drop it over and over and over until after cleaning it, you leave some on it.
okay, that's what we said about the first time, so you don't let it spin or go into your electrical circuitry. Do you need to scrub this thing really hard?
No, just gently.
Okay.
Just scrub gently. You could see the rag is picking up the dirt. You can see that the color of the rags will change gradually.
That is true.
And as you do it over and over and over. At the time you see that the entire dashboard will return to
Wow.
the original face, shining without dirt again on it.
Okay. You heard it, people. You heard it from the horse's mouth. We're on for this experiment today and see the outcome. So all you gotta do is to stay to the end of this video, and it's gonna be happening here today. So got a lot to tell you. So I'm gonna be using this very opportunity to tell you guys this guy has a great his channel is actually coming out new, so I have a lot of great ideas about science, about chemistry, about things, the practicality and applications of some of these chemicals which you guys have been hearing about, and I think it's a great thing. If you really want to know more about some of the products which I use in my channel, he actually do introduce me to some of those things. So go ahead and follow him, and I promise you, you'll not be disappointed.
So gradually you can see, if you compare where we've cleaned to where we've not cleaned, you can see the transformation is going on gradually on it. And that's how you continue rubbing it over gently, and at the time you see that the entire surface is cleaner and shiny and far different from what you had before now. I hope you're able to notice how this place was looking dirty before we started this application.
Yeah, actually, I do. So guys, you're seeing how it's going, and it's getting smoother. It's getting better. It's getting much more cleaner and more shiny.
I notice that the dust at the lines of mark are clearing off too. Just rub gently, gently. It's not something you use force. Nobody's asking you to fight with it.
Okay.
It's gentle rubbing, gentle rubbing.
Wow. You can see this dashboard shining. Wow, this is incredible. Come on, do it again, man.
Oh, we are going there.
Yeah, this is incredible. Now you guys I think you guys are following up and see what we're doing right here. So this is no joke. With home tech here, we've seen a kind of a different transformation on this very dashboard here. So the reason, like I said before, this is not just a promising, this is not a politician kind of promising you to build the bridges where there is no river. I'm going to be taking this camera to a different place so you can be able to see the before and after what it's going to look like, or you can actually reverse this video a little bit backwards so you can be able to see how it was when we started. Because we didn't actually mask the particular location where we're doing this, but giving you a clear view right now, you can know that there is a huge difference between here and here, and it's picking up the dirt real good, really good. Wow. So if you want more science tips about this, science hack about this, you want to follow Home Tech channel, which I said I'm going to be dropping you the link below this video description. And it's awesome, seriously. It's very awesome. A lot of you guys are gonna say, some people are gonna be feeling like my dashboard is turning into Coke. No, come on. No, maybe after this you might decide to give it a thorough wash or something of that kind, but
whether you wash it or not, it does not really matter.
okay.
Because as you're doing it off now, it's just picking off the dirt from it.
Okay.
And it will leave the surface very shiny and very lustre, and you just like it. You just like it, and it's just good.
Okay, that was very good one there.
So you can go like this all over your dashboard, gradually, and the more you do it, the more it shines until you come back to.
Oh, that's quite incredible result right there, because it's shiny. Can't you guys see it? It's really shiny, and wow, I'm impressed, seriously. Now if we take a look at this side here, you can tell that there is a difference between these two sides here. So that's to show you how different it is, and here it's looking much more shiny than it has been. So wow. And it really did pick up the dirt, because I could actually spot some dirt around somewhere here in these lines here, but right now those dirt has actually vanished. So guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be leaving a link below this description of our Home Tech channel, so you can follow him for more tips about science hack. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.